I think a lot of people that view it as like a moral weakness, I definitely understand why they would think that. Well, they're their reasons. They've been hurt. They've watched someone go through it. Whatever the case may be. But while if you don't, I think it's a hard thing to understand unless you've been through it yourself. Even watching a loved one go through it, I think, can help you get a better sense because you know they're not that person that they're being at that time when they're stealing from you and lying to your face. It's them, but it's not really them. And it's really a hard one because, well, at least for me, while I was going through it, like, I still felt bad, like, for my actions. Like, I kind of knew, but I don't want to say I didn't care, but the consequences like, the reward outweighed the consequences because that's all you're focused on all day, every day is getting that. I wish I could explain why my brain works that way. It's just different than your average Joe's. It's just once I have that drink in me or that drug, whether it's weed or heroin or whatever it may be, it just sets it puts the spark to the fuse, and before you know it, it's ruining your life and the ones around you.